What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we do have something different, something that I wanted for a while, but this is not for me. So, the person this is for allowed me to go ahead and do a review on it. So we are going to go ahead and check this bad boy out. This is a HART heated jacket. Now it says up to 8 hours of runtime. It says optimal comfort and withstands extreme weather conditions with wind and water resistant shell. So water resistant. It has little beads of water on here right there. This is a 20-volt heating jacket. All right, you guys, I'm gonna turn this on the back. Oh, and it does have the size right there, so that's a large. It has the size charts right here on the back. It has 3 heat settings, so you can set this on high. It says red right there, so I don't know how hot this actually gets. Heating zones is left chest, the right chest, and the mid back. So it don't actually have the temperature. Anyways, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. Extra portable power. You see that? So you can use this as a power bank also. I might get one of these myself. Okay, so here we go. We got a back part, zipper. Oh, I think we found it, you guys. It's a little cord in the back. All right, you guys, so how does it look? I actually like the calm design on this. Like, it looked like a regular jacket. It don't look like it's all out there. HART, of course, got to put their name right there, but guess what? Most brand coats got the name somewhere on the coat, right? Got one opening here, which is the front, but this is the only opening in the back, and this is the only cable I have. Right there. All right, so I hook my battery up, and this is the only way you can power up the coat anyway, because this is the power source for the coat. It comes on. All right, we're gonna put that inside our coat. What I'll do is I'll take a little walk with it, and I'll let y'all know how comfortable the jacket is with the battery in it. Do it look like I got a hump on my back? And you can kind of see the lump right there. Now, remember, mine's a 2 amp battery. The one that is provided is a 1.5 amp battery. It's a little bit more skinnier than the 2 amp. And the power button is right on the inside. So right here on the inside, on the left side, I can kind of feel the battery. All right. So here is the power button. I'm gonna hit it, and I'll let y'all know if I feel any heat or not. Now, once again, I got it on low. Don't feel nothing yet. Let me hit it one more time. Don't really feel too much heat, you guys. Okay, I feel some warmth coming from it, but it's not that hot. I'm just gonna let y'all know that now. It's not that hot. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna get into the final review. My final thoughts on this product. Okay, so I like HART products. All right, just to let everybody know out there. But one thing I am not biased to a brand. I will give you my honest opinion, and that will be final. I don't care if a brand don't like it. I'm here to be honest for the people, and now we're gonna give some honesty. I actually looked through, and y'all know me, usually I just try to figure stuff out before I even get into instructions, unless I have to install, like, you know, a greenhouse or something. But I looked through this thing, operation and all this, and you know, let me just be flat out with y'all. For 160 bucks, and I'm gonna tell the individual that's getting this jacket, I'm gonna be honest, 160 bucks I think is a little bit much. Now, I could feel the warmth in here, but I'm gonna be quite clear with y'all on this. I don't know what level I'm on. I don't. Right here is your battery status, and that's about it. All right, so we still have all 4 batteries. I don't know what level of heat I'm on. So there's 3 heat settings, and on here, you don't know what setting you on. So it would be nice for them to update it to put in like something on like their battery indicator to let you know what level you on. Just like when you do your drills and you can set the settings and all that. Well, they need an indicator to let you know what setting you on. Because you don't even know if you powering off. Did it power off? Are you on level 3, level 2, level 1? Blase, blase. So what I am doing, I'm basically just filling the jacket and I can feel the warmth. But if I hit the power, every time you hit the power, the indicators come on right there. And that's about it. If you're using this to jog with, beware, you will be feeling this on your butt every time you're bouncing, every time you're jogging. This will be hitting your lower back or your butt. What else before I go? I think that's the main thing. Just updating on the indicator of what you on, and that's about it. For me, I think this should be like even $100. I mean, $160 is a little bit much for something that needs a little bit more improvement. I never reviewed the Milwaukee. I know Milwaukee had one when it was Black Friday weekend and all that. Milwaukee had a jacket. DeWalt usually have a jacket out. I didn't see it this year. Y'all may have seen it, but y'all let me know if what y'all think about this. I think it's okay. All right, I think it's okay. I like the idea of heated jackets. I'm cool with it. I know some people are probably paranoid and saying, "Oh, the lithium is gonna melt onto your skin." All right, you guys. So if you do have this jacket, y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comments about this jacket. Other than that, that's it with this review. Like, comment, and subscribe.